Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to manage downloads in your Netflix account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type netflix.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Netflix. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. If you're facing any issues while logging in, worry not. We have created a video regarding that issue as well. Now let's begin. On the very top, you will find your profile icon right here. Simply hover over it and something like this will open up. From here, what you need to do is simply go to the accounts button right here. Simply click on it. Now something like this will open up. That's the account settings. From right here, there are lots of tabs like device, overviews, everything. What you need to do is simply tap on this device tab right here and something like this will open up. Right here at the mobile downloads, simply click on the button right below it, mobile download device. Now as you can see, these devices have downloaded something, maybe videos or CDs. In case you want to completely remove a device, here's the button right here that says remove device. Simply click on it and you see the device was removed. Downloads on this device will no longer be available. And that's about it guys, that's how you manage your downloads. In case I want to remove downloads from this device as well, simply hit on remove device and there you have it. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you manage download devices on your Netflix account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.